There are moments where the threat is not in front of you, it's on your flank. Maybe you're surrounded, maybe you can't retreat. In that moment, you don't dance, you plow through. In this video, the tools I'm going to be using is a horizontal forearm strike and a rear hand palm heel strike. The target areas with the horizontal forearm strike will be underneath the nose to the philtrum, the throat, or the chest, based on threat level. The palm heel strike can go underneath the chin or to the nose. From a natural stance, you have to commit 100% to the technique. You charge with that horizontal forearm strike to take them off balance, and then you follow with that palm heel strike underneath the chin or to the nose. One more time. Commit. Charge. Off balance. Follow up with that palm heel strike to shut it down and to create an exit. Practice, practice, practice.